designed primarily for vloggers and content creators, offering an excellent balance of performance, portability, and affordability. With a 20.9 MP APS-C sensor and Nikon Z mount system, it delivers impressive image quality and 4K UHD video recording without a crop, making it a strong contender in the entry-level mirrorless category. One of its standout features is the fully articulating touchscreen, which makes framing shots effortless, whether for vlogging or photography. The camera lacks an electronic viewfinder, but its compact and lightweight design compensates for that, making it ideal for handheld shooting. The Z30 also boasts reliable autofocus with eye and face tracking, ensuring sharp results in both photos and videos. The absence of in-body image stabilization means users may need a gimbal for smoother handheld shots. However, the built-in stereo microphone, along with an external mic input, enhances audio quality for video content. Battery life is decent, though carrying an extra battery is advisable for extended shoots. Overall, the Nikon Z30 is a great option for beginner vloggers and content creators looking for a high-quality, user-friendly camera with excellent video capabilities in a compact package.